Ready to unlock the full potential of your landing pages? Here's how to use the HTML editor in QR Code Kit's Page Builder. As mentioned in a previous video, link in the description, you can add an HTML editor element to your landing page QR code. Right from the start, you'll notice that it works like Google Docs or Microsoft Word in the sense that you can write and edit it. However, to unlock its true power, you can switch it to HTML or source code view, click its three-dot menu, and then click the change mode icon. Then you can enter specific strings of code to perform different actions. For example, you can add lines or dividers between pieces of content, add links to initiate a phone call, to send an email, or to start a WhatsApp chat. Add an anchor link to go to a specific part within your landing page. Perfect if you want to show an index, and so much more. You will find a link that details how to perform these actions in the description below. And just like that, you've unlocked endless possibilities for personalization, making your landing pages as unique as your brand.